Hi, I'm Priyank from Yamunanagar. This is my journey so far. In the beginning of 2004, I remember telling myself I want to travel all around the world and make incredible videos. That time I didn't even have a camera. But I started the journey to unknown to find myself. I stopped caring what all people think and I started doing. I spent hundreds of hours learning how to make videos. Here is what happened. There was a study done on old patients to reflect their life's biggest regret. All of them said they regretted not the thing they did, but the things they didn't do. The risk they never took, the dreams they didn't pursue. I utilized sleepless nights to learn the power of internet and put it all together for the journey towards life. Don't turn yourself to kinda. See, kinda is lethal. You kinda want your career change. You kinda want get straight A's. You kinda want get in shape. Simple math, no numbers to crush. Then you will kinda get the result you want. You will fall, God knows how many times. What is your dream? What ignites that spark? Just remember, there is no such thing as a smooth mountain. If you wanna make it to the top, then you gotta pass the small bridges. Nobody can escape struggles and criticism, and this is the law of this universe. You want my advice? Don't think twice. We have been given a gift and we call it life, so don't blow it. You are born each moment, so own it now. Sometimes you gotta leap and grow your wings on the way down. And I know this, that every person on this earth has a gift.